Are you wondering if you can actually use any webcam or regular camera on your Nintendo Switch 2, or you actually have to purchase the Nintendo official camera to be able to show yourself in the game chat? So yep, I can confirm that actually pretty much any normal webcam will actually work, but basically obviously you need like Type-C on your camera. If you actually do not have Type-C, you can get basically one of these adapters that converts regular USB to Type-C. So I'll leave a link where you can get these for likely like $1 or $2 on AliExpress. So again, they do not cost much. Also, if you need a camera, basically also I'll leave a link where you can get like decent camera for literally like $7 or $8, and personally I have actually used this one, so from AliExpress. So it actually has got autofocus, decent microphone, and again it literally costs like $7 or $8 essentially. The original camera, basically the Switch camera, costs like I think $55. So as you see, basically once I actually connect my camera over here, so I have to simply plug in the Type-C over here, or one on the bottom essentially. Then I can go in the settings over here, and in the settings I'm going to swipe down, okay, controllers and accessories over here. So we're going to enter this, and okay, test USB camera, and you can see basically my camera actually works straight away essentially. So again, yep, we can actually literally use any camera on the Switch 2 and it works flawlessly again, really no problem. So and so as soon as you essentially launch your game chat, so in those games that actually support the camera, you'll be able to use it, so just like the official camera essentially. So again you can again use any camera really, so any webcam, or maybe even like if you have one of the mirrorless cameras, that also would work. Also, I know you can even use like your phone as a camera as well, but then you actually need like these HDMI capture cards or something like that. So again, it's quite a bit complicated. So I think the easiest way is simply purchase one of these cheaper webcams, and they really do the job. So I think you can also mount them very easily. With the phone, it's quite a faff, and you also need more cables and more like converters, which might even cost more than the actual like webcam basically. So yeah, basically check those links. Anyway, good luck.